Ever wake up feeling foggy? Or forget where you left your keys? Again? What if I told you there's something simple, something free, that doesn't just make your brain sharper, but can actually help it grow new brain cells? It's called fasting. And no, it's not just for weight loss. Let's break down exactly how fasting helps your brain rebuild itself, backed by real science. First, quick science check. Your brain can actually grow new neurons. That's called neurogenesis. For years, scientists thought we were born with all the brain cells we'd ever have, but now we know that areas like the hippocampus, the part responsible for learning and memory, can keep producing new neurons even into adulthood. But here's the thing, that growth doesn't happen automatically. Your brain needs the right conditions, and this is where fasting comes in. After about 12 to 16 hours of fasting, your body switches fuel sources. Instead of burning sugar, glucose, it starts breaking down fat and creating ketones, tiny energy molecules. One of the main ketones is called beta-hydroxybutyrate, or BHB. Here's the magic. BHB isn't just fuel, it's also a signaling molecule that tells your brain to activate a growth factor called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of BDNF like fertilizer for your brain. It helps grow new neurons, strengthens existing connections, and protects your brain from damage. More BDNF means you learn faster, you remember more, you handle stress better, you're less likely to develop brain disorders like depression, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's. In fact, low BDNF levels are linked to all kinds of cognitive issues, and studies show that fasting can increase BDNF levels by up to 400%, depending on the length and your biology. That's not a little improvement. That's a full system upgrade. But fasting doesn't stop there. It also triggers a process called autophagy, which literally means self-eating. That might sound creepy, but it's awesome. Autophagy is your brain's cleaning system. It breaks down and recycles old, damaged cells, clears out junk proteins, and helps prevent the buildup of harmful waste, like the kind seen in Alzheimer's disease. So while fasting grows new brain cells, it also cleans out the dead weight. Now the big question, how long do you actually need to fast? You don't have to go days without food. Even a basic 12 to 14-hour overnight fast, say from 8 p.m. to 10 a.m., starts to produce ketones. A 16-hour fast, like the popular 16 to 8 method, is where BDNF really kicks in. Going longer, like 24 to 48 hours, can supercharge autophagy and neurogenesis. But that's something to do occasionally and with caution. For most people, consistency beats intensity. Just doing a 14 to 16-hour fast a few times a week is enough to support real brain benefits. But let's be clear, fasting isn't for everyone. If you're under 18, pregnant, have diabetes, or a history of eating disorders, talk to a healthcare professional first. This is about improving your brain health, not punishing your body. Your brain has incredible potential, and sometimes the best way to feed it is to stop feeding it. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's the longest you've ever fasted, and how did it make you feel?